You and I have done several number of transactions together, and I'm always getting updates, which I love. It makes my job that much easier. Do you want to talk about that just a little bit about systems?
Yeah, every Monday, I remember, I think I've told you the story, I used to get 10, 12 phone calls on Monday morning at 9 a.m. from agents saying, hey, what's going on with this loan, or where's the appraisal at, or where's this piece at? Well, on top of it, I'd also get 5, 10 calls from clients that Monday morning. And I was getting so many calls at the same time, and I felt so guilted by the fact that I can't answer everybody's call at the same time. I said, well, why don't we just be proactive in giving an update before they even call us? And that's kind of how it all started, saying, if it was me and I was going through the home loan process, I would want to know along the way, hey, where are we at? Where are we going? And we kind of created that model and that process. Now we like to update all realtors, whether you're a buyer or seller's agent, every week. And also throughout the milestones, we hit them with a text and an email as well along the way. And to our clients, we give them video messages letting them know what's going on. Because I feel you can always be proactive more and solve the problem before it actually happens versus just waiting around for a problem to occur. It can be totally solved in advance with just simple communication in my mind.